Welcome to our channel. Today can I activate my Discover card at discover.com? Step by step clearly. To activate your Discover card at discover.com, begin by opening your web browser. In the search bar, type in discover.com and press enter. Once the home page loads, locate the login button at the top right corner. Click on the login button. If you already have an account, enter your email and password. For new users, look for the register link, often found near the login fields. Click on the register link to create your account. You will need to provide your card information, including the card number and expiration date. Follow the prompts to verify your identity. After entering your details, create a username and password for your account. Once your account is set up, return to the login page. Enter your newly created username and password. After logging in, navigate to the section for card activation. Follow the on-screen instructions to activate your card. You may need to confirm additional information for security purposes. After completing these steps, your card should be activated. If you encounter any issues, check the FAQs or contact customer support for assistance. Your Discover card is now ready for use. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.